Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to our channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. I really do appreciate. If today is the first time you are coming across this channel or you are seeing my face for the first time, I am AGATHA Progress and I come across your way every blessed day. Remember, in this channel we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So just grab your popcorn and carry your share. Let's dive into the wonderful update of the day. This video you are watching is what is going on right now in Anambra State, Nigeria. If you know that you are not current or you don't understand what is going on, Anambra State election is coming up November 6th, 2021. That is next week, by God's grace. That is when the election will take place, 6th of November. And the tension in Anambra is so high. Like the Nigeria government deployed a lot of military armed officers to that place to watch the election. The reason that the indigenous people of Biafre declared that on 6th of November, sit at home till 10, when the leader of Biafra, His Excellency Nnamdi Kanu, will appear in court. And they said November 6th will be sit at home. They are not interested in anything Anambra State election. That is why they urge their people to sit at home. Meanwhile, they never said people should boycott election, that there is no election. But what they said is that everybody sit at home. And Nigeria government, as usual, with their usual plan, deployed a lot of armed officers, navy, mentioned anyone you can mention, all the uniformed men in Nigeria, especially from the northern part of Nigeria, to do what? To come and bodyguard everybody in Anambra. And believe me, there is high tension. When I say high tension, I meant it. Okay, let's come to think of it. Let's just start analyzing on this particular issue of Anambra State. Does that mean that during election in Nigeria, this is the way they do in all parts of Nigeria? I've not seen this type before. So why is it that even the presence of the army and the officers, it's already giving the people tension not to even come out? It's like the leadership of IPOP, they understood that this thing that is going to happen is going to be so difficult and a lot of lives will go with it. That is why they said sit at home, don't go anywhere, because if you are in your house, bullet will not come and touch you, though it might happen in another way around. But if you did go to the scene of the election, whereby Nigeria government said they have the interest of the people at heart, and they choose to bring this number of armed officers to Anambra State election, and tell me, then bringing these people, are these people going to monitor the election materials or the counting of the ballot papers? No, they are going to monitor humans that is living in that Anambra State. And for this reason, the Anambra State Police has been going from house to house, arresting innocent people, saying they are Eastern Security Network. And the indigenous people of Biafra have said the operative of its militant wing, Eastern Security Network, do not wear army uniform or police uniform for operations. You can imagine where this thing is going to right now, because there are some people that were caught. They said they are Eastern Security Network. So IPOP came out and said, no, Eastern Security Network, you will never see them on army uniform, of which everybody know this. So that the Nigeria government should please leave them alone. They are not interested in their election. They are not interested in anything Nigeria government should just leave them out of this. And when they were bringing this unnecessary claim about IPOB, the Anambra State Police Command has arrested a man who is alleged a top member of the indigenous people of Biafra and also commands its military wing, the Eastern Security Network. The man, identified as Shibuzo, was arrested in his home in his house. So they let the Nigerian government to know that the man that was arrested, that is IPOB member, they went to his home, his own apartment, his own residence, and arrest him. And not even that they arrest him, they also shoot him. So IPOB, by the spokesperson Emmanuel Powerful, came out and said the man is an IPOB member but is never top Eastern Security Network member. Anybody can be IPOB, but it's not Eastern Security Network. That Eastern Security Network, they operate in the bush. They don't come out, and they don't come out with a army uniform, because there are some pictures that you will see in this particular video whereby some persons were putting on army uniform and they are parading them that they are Eastern Security Network. I say, for real? Shoo. According to the report that I got, that said even the man that were arrested, that is the IPOB member that was arrested, went for the mother's burial, and Nigerian government traced him, and that is when they went to scatter the burial, and they shoot the man, and they move away with him. So they are saying that the man is Eastern Security Network. Never. It's not an Eastern Security Network, and it's not even a commander of Eastern Security Network, but the man is IPOB member. If you believe in this movement, if you believe in this agitation, you are one of the IPOB. Does not mean that you must be Eastern Security Network before you are called IPOB. Eastern Security Network, the wings of the agitator Eastern Security Network, has another motive, and their motive is to protect the land. The situation in Anambra State is so worst, it's so bad. Can you imagine now the tension of the presence of this military? How do you even expect people to come out to cast their votes? That is what they are saying. How will you allow people, how do you expect people to come out and cast their vote in this type of situation? That is why they are not saying sit at home, because even the video that were shown yesterday, they entered into the marketplaces, shops, boutique, everywhere you can think of, where human being more than thousands gathered. That is where they will go and open fire. So don't you think that it is better you stay in your house, because the tension about this Anambra State election, the presence of armies, the presence of police is so bad, is so threatening. So that is why they are calling everybody sit at home. November 6th, sit at home, because the people, they are ready to delete a lot, as many as they can. So when you sit at home, nobody is going to hold you to come out that you must cast your vote, because out of fear, you have to stay at home. You have to protect yourself. Remember the country that we are. If they finish, they will say the strange bullet, and there is nothing anybody can do about it. So don't you think that the best solution is for you to just stay in your house, for you to stay in your home and overcome all this type of Jagadan story? So that is why the leadership of IPOP said on that particular day, they need sit at home, and they have announced it even long before now. They said if Nigerian government did not release the leader Nnamdi Kanu before November 4th and 5th, sit to untend that he will appear in court will be sit at home. It's as simple as that. They are saying the sit at home not because of Anambra State election, but they are saying the sit at home in solidarity with the leader of Biafre, Nnamdi Kanu, that the Nigerian government should release him unconditionally. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. Please do well to drop your opinion as well in the comment section. What did you understand about this Anambra State election that is kicking up November 6th, and the tension right now in Anambra? All right, I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress here on YouTube, reporting live and direct to my wonderful people. See you when I see you. If you know you haven't joined this family, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. For me to you, I say bye.